Minasan, konnichiwa. In our previous session, we learned how to say the birth months in Japanese. But sometimes we wanted to know our friends' exact birthdays. In order for us to do this, we need to learn how to say the days of the months in Japanese. For this lesson, we only have one objective, and that is to develop life skills by figuring out the pattern for the days of the months in Japanese.
For our first activity, we have to guess the pattern. I'll be asking the question and you have to give me the answer. This will also serve as a review for what we have discussed in the previous topic. Tanjobi wa itsu? Very good. 11月30日. What did I just say? 30 nichi. It is the date of his birthday. I bet everyone's familiar with the word sanju, which means 30. Andres Bonifacio's birthday is November 30. Tanjobi wa itsu? 1月25日. For our last picture, Tanjobi wa itsu? 6月19日. For the words 30日, 25日, and 19日, what is the pattern that we have? Very good. We have number plus nichi. We have to note most of the days of the month has this pattern, number plus nichi. But let's try to guess another pattern. Tanjobi wa itsu? 3月3日. Tanjobi wa itsu? 7月10日. Tanjobi wa itsu? 1月2日. Tanjobi wa itsu? 1月8日. Tanjobi wa itsu? 9月5日. What is the new pattern used for Mika, Touka, Yoka, and Itsuka? Yes, we can notice that most of them end with ka. We have to take note of it.
I guess you noticed something different from the pattern that we have for the days of the months. Some of them are excluded from the pattern, and they are considered special. So here they are.
1日、2日、3日、4日、5日、6日、7日、8日、9日、10日、11日、12日、13日、14日、15日、16日、17日、18日、19日、20日、21日、22日、23日、24日、25日、26日、27日、28日、29日、30日、31日。
For us to easily remember the days of the months, I have here special guests. They are going to help us on how to memorize the days of the months easily. Let's watch the video. Let's have an activity. On your Nihongo notes, list down your family members and write down their birthdays. Minasan, reflection time. What did you learn today? Did you listen to the dates in Nihongo well? Can you now sing the song? Write it down in your Nihongo notes. For an announcement, I want you to make a family tree. You may also use the one that you have in topic 6. And I guess, Zugyo Warimasu. Mata ne!